A blessed morning, everyone. To our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 11, verse 1 to 4. And the whole earth was of one language and of one speech. And it came to pass as they journeyed from the earth that they found a plain in the land of Shinar, and they dwelt there. And they said one to another, Go, to make us, let us make brick and burn them thoroughly. And they had brick for the stone, and the slime had they for mortar. And they said, Go to, let us build us a city, a tower whose top may reach unto heaven, and let us make us a name, lest we be scattered abroad upon the face of the whole earth. So this is the time that the community of people already created the the foundations, or maybe the Tower of Tower of Babel. However, it's firmly believed that the archaeologists already find the Tower of Babel. However, in front of God, they are doing, yes, they are united, but they do it the wrong way.